Since the launch of the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index in 2010, several countries, including Nigeria, have used it as a model to measure their own poverty index. In November 2020, at the height of the coronavirus pandemic, Nigeria began the process of conducting its Multidimensional Poverty Index survey, becoming the first African country to do so. Here, the final result of the survey is being launched. The Statistician General of the Federation highlights the indices used.
With the largest sample size of 56,610 households that we selected across 109 senatorial districts in 36 states and federal capital of the Federation. We in Nigeria added a fourth dimension to this global one, which we call work and shocks. This fourth dimension, as well as the indicator under it, such as food security, water reliability, underemployment, security shocks, and school life, they were added to reflect the current realities and priorities of Nigeria.
According to the survey, 86 million of the poor people in Nigeria, that is 65%, live in the north, while nearly 47 million of the poor, which represents 35%, live in the southern region of the country.
To ensure the sustainability of this new multidimensional way of addressing poverty, the MPI has been adopted as the key policy tool and measurement method, complementing income-based measurement for poverty within the medium-term National Development Plan 2021 to 2025.
Intervention should really be tailored to the deprivation profile of each state, if not lower, making them our interventions of support efficient and of higher impact. And then secondly, child poverty is an urgent priority. 2/3 of children are multidimensionally poor, according to the national MPI.
The MPI 2022 will certainly help government at all levels, as well as development partners that we are, to allocate funds to benefit all those in need and develop the necessary support services.
President Muhammadu Buhari, who unveiled the report, said as part of measures to reduce poverty level in the country, an executive bill to give a legal framework to the National Social Investment Program is to be sent to the National Assembly soon. The president, represented by his chief of staff, Ibrahim Gambari, says the MPI result will serve as both a measurement and a policy tool to monitor progress at achieving this goal.
The results are not ends by themselves, by no means, but they're really a call for action and a call for targeted action in many dimensions. This is a report that pinpoints the level of deprivations and its intensity that confronts our citizens, all of them. Beyond this, it also provides substantive evidence of the positive impact of the multi-sectoral interventions of the Buhari administration.
Stakeholders here say the MPI data should be regularly updated. If all measures recommended in the report are effectively implemented, the aim of alleviating poverty in the country may become a reality in the nearest future. Georgina Ndukwezainka, Arise News.